What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of Amazing A-Frames. And this week we have a lot of new different stuff, and more is coming because I told you the drought of delayed deliveries seems to be over. So that's the reason why you will see not only a lot of new stuff, also a lot of restocks on the site. So check the site every day because we are uploading everything that we got in steps, and you will see new stuff nearly every day. But yeah, I guess that's normal at Topperzstore, right? So in the beginning, I would like to tell you one thing. If you are new to the channel, I would highly appreciate if you hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please also hit the subscribe button. It's totally free and you can join the greatest hat community on this planet, the Topperzstore family. So without further ado, I would say let's go into this and take a look what we have this week. And there is something very special. I got two hats directly from Miami, and those are Major League Soccer hats. And I know you guys love those logos, and especially since Messi is playing for Inter Miami FC, a lot of you guys are following MLS too. And this is the first one. This is a restock, but I wanted to show it anyhow because I absolutely love that logo. Both of these hats are completely black, and both of them have a pink UV with black guts. Beautiful hat, and this logo is really nice. But they also have a new logo, and that's the logo that I wanted to show you. And when they brought out this new jersey, I mean, oh my god. I was all in. I needed that jersey. It's a beautiful script, and this reminds me a lot of the 90s, right? So also here we got a pink UV, black, and then you got this Inter Miami script in the front. Isn't that a beauty? Look at this beautiful script. And then you got this super nice crest on the side. Beautiful Club Internacional de Football Miami. Beautiful black, pink UV. Also here black snap on the back and black guts. These are the two Inter Miami FC hats that we have for you guys this week. And of course, it's already summertime, so a lot of you guys were asking, hey, can you do more in that coral colorway? Especially there were also a lot of ladies who wanted to have this coral colorway, and that's the reason why we brought back two super nice truckers in this color. And this screams summer to me because this color is very rich. I hope you can see this in the camera because this color is really nice. We also made a fitted like 2 months ago for the LA Dodgers, and this time you got the white mesh in the back, super nice 948 frame, the LA logo in the front, and then also New Era flag in this color. You also got here the white snap on the back with this soft trucker mesh material, and this is a really nice colorway. We did it for two teams so that we also appreciate the wishes of the ladies at Topperzstore. And I mean, it's not only for ladies, everybody can wear that, right? It's a super nice color, and I like how it came out. Let me know in the comments what you think about these two and this special color, which is called coral, and it looks really nice. Okay, so two classics that I want to show off that we brought over from Topperzstore USA now to Topperzstore. And I mean, this is like history. Boston Red Sox, you have this bold Boston script in the front in orange this time. To the Fenway Park, the Citgo sign on Fenway Park with here this sign, and then you have the Fenway Park script below that in dark green like the Green Monster. Beautiful hat. And to give it a special touch, we also have the orange on the back. Beautiful hat. And this Boston script looks absolutely amazing. Gray UV, black guts, pops off really good. Also a super nice colorway for summer. And I know that you guys love orange, and which team is the best team to make in orange? Besides maybe the San Francisco Giants, I would say, is the Baltimore Orioles. And we needed to bring that beautiful logo on a super nice two-tone. This is also something that you can absolutely rock in summertime. You got the Oriole in the front, orange dome, black button visor, and then you got this beautiful Orioles script on the side with the bird. Super nice details, black snap on the back, gray UV, Black Guts, the Baltimore Orioles. 2 more hats in a super nice, classic, clean colorway. All right, so then, for all of you Ohtani fans out there, finally, this logo is also available on a 940 A-frame, and boy, oh boy, this came out absolutely great. Look at this. You got the Ohtani script in the front, and this metallic silver makes it pop off really, really good on this chrome dome. Then you got the classic royal blue button visor. You got Ohtani wearing this blue hat in metallic, and then you got this beautiful shiny World Series Champions 2024 bold patch. Goes so well together with this front logo. And then we got the LA on the back, and you also got the snap in royal blue on the back. Gray UV, Black Guts, Shohei Ohtani, Japan to LA. Now finally also on a 940 A-frame as requested from a lot of you guys. So in this episode, I would really like to choose more of the stuff that's coming over more leagues, because you guys were always asking me, hey Pat, can you also make minor league, for example, on 940 A-frames or 950 A-frames? Of course we can, also with our special touch. So that's the reason why we had, not the first time, but for a longer time, it needed a longer time to get back to 940 A-frames on minor league. And I thought these 2 hats is the perfect timing now. Also for summertime, you got the Clearwater Treasures with this beautiful sea on the side with the wave in metallic silver. And then you got this badass shark in the front. And look at these fantastic metallics. It shines like crazy. You got here metallic blue gray, and this came out absolutely classic. Super nice hat, all black, also for summertime. Black snap on the back, gray UV, Black Guts. Beautiful hat. And the second one is an all-time classic, and I mean, you know, it's the Northwest Arkansas Naturals, but this was our hook to a very popular national football team here in Europe. And this is, I think, already a great timing if you want to prepare already next year for the World Cup. I mean, you should have a hat like this, and they are really, really great. And look at this fantastic embroidery in the front with the metallic gold. It looks absolutely amazing. You got the natural script on the side, chrome dome, then oceanside blue button visor, and then you got a gray UV and Black Guts. The Northwest Arkansas Naturals are coming back now on a 940 A-frame. Beautiful hat. And last but not least, we got more and more requests from you guys to make more Mexico hats, and that's the reason why I want to show off 2 more that we did. And here they are now, adding to the classic series. The first one, you got the M in the front, and then you got the Mexican flag on the side, all black, super clean. Black snap on the back, Kelly green UV, Black Guts. That's the first one. And the second one, if you like more 2-tones, we added this one as a 2-tone. The Kelly green button UV, beautiful hat, and look at this fantastic embroidery, super shiny, so much details on this. You got here the black dome, and then you got a Kelly green snapback here, and this time this hat with a gray UV and Black Guts. So let me know in the comments below what were your favorites and what are the teams you would like to see next at Topperzstore and at Topperzstore USA. We are bringing you more 940 A-frames, 950 A-frames, and also A-frames from other manufacturers like Goorin and many, many more. So watch out, we release new hats every day at our store, and if you have any questions, we are always here for you. And it would be also great if you join our Discord. You can get much more information. You can access our beta VIP program there too. And last but not least, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I would highly appreciate if you hit the subscribe button. It's totally free and you can join the greatest hat community on this planet. I hope to see you guys again on the live stream next Monday, where I'm showing off all the new fitteds that we are dropping at Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. And also make sure you tune in on Sunday in our store when we are making sneaky Sunday restocks. And there are also A-frames, not only fitteds, that we restock on Sunday. So thank you guys very much for tuning in, and I hope to see you guys next week again. I'm out. Bye.